Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Microsoft file and making one backup copy. This prevents data loss. Once done, remove tracked changes and comments so the PDF reflects the final content. Make sure fonts are embedded or substituted will break layout, and check images are anchored where you want them. This ensures the exported PDF matches the original. Now you're ready to move into the export dialog and pick precise PDF options. Don't skip that step. You should use Save As or Export and choose Create PDF/XBS. This is the reliable method built into Microsoft apps. When the dialog opens, pick Optimize for Standard if you need high-quality printing, or Minimum for smaller file size for email. That explains the trade-off between quality and size. Next, set a page range if not the whole document, include document structure tags for accessibility, and check the option to embed fonts so the PDF renders correctly on other systems. You finish by opening the new PDF in a reader and scanning each page for unexpected shifts. Small layout changes are common, so verify headers, footers, and images. Make sure links and bookmarks work, and use Ctrl+F to confirm text is searchable. That tells you whether text is embedded or flattened as images. If something's wrong, go back to the source file, fix spacing or font embedding, and re-export using the adjusted settings. Quick tip: recheck accessibility tags if screen readers are required.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.